everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's W3 here. In today's Python tutorial video we're going to be making a basic sort of text game. It's fairly easy. What it's going to be is rock, paper, scissors. You'll be playing against the computer. So let's jump straight into the code. We'll start off by doing our imports. So we've got our imports. We're going to import time, we're going to import sys, and import random. You'll see what they are for as we go through the code. So we're going to make our life a little bit easier, and we're going to create 3 functions which are going to be for win and losing and drawing, and that'll just make things a lot quicker and easier as we get to making the game. So we'll do def win first of all. We'll just print the game and then you win. Then we'll do def lost, and then we'll just print the game you lost, and def draw, and same again, print the game it's a draw. Fairly simple to understand. So next we're going to be creating the game, so we're going to do def the underscore game. We're going to have moves, which is going to be a list, and we're going to put in that list rock, comma, paper, comma, and scissors. So what we need to do now is we need to do attempts, which is going to equal 3. We're going to do while true. So the attempts, basically, if they don't choose the correct option, rock, paper, scissors, they get 3 attempts. Once they get to 0, the game will just exit because they failed to provide the right option, the right input. So we do while true. And also, quickly, we'll do this as well. We'll print, and then we'll do the game, and then we'll do rock, paper, scissors with a question mark. That's the start of our game. This is going to be. So the game is basically saying rock, paper, scissors. This is the start of our game. We'll go back to the while true loop. And then if attempts is equal to 0, we'll print. And then I just copy pasted it. It's just a bit quicker. So I've done print the game, and then I've done you failed to provide a correct option to play the game. Goodbye. And that's fairly simple. Once it gets down to 0, you failed to provide the options to play. The game will close. You've had enough attempts. So we'll go and do time.sleep, and we'll give it 3. Just give them enough time to read it, and then we'll do sys.exit and then 0. 0 means the code's working fine and you want it to exit. It's a clean exit. 1 means there's been an error, and that's why it's exiting. That's the difference between using 0 and 1. And sys exit if you didn't already know. So next, let's move on. So we're going to do player equals string, and then input capital P player, and then we'll just do dot lower, and that's so the player's input, whether he starts it with a capital or he does it all in capitals or whatever, it all goes to lowercase, so that we can compare it with the computers, which will choose from the moves, which is all in lowercase as well. So therefore it doesn't matter too much what the player types. As long as he types rock, paper, scissors, it doesn't matter if he uses capitals or whatnot. If he doesn't use rock, paper, scissors, then obviously we'll be going into the attempts, and he only gets 3. You only get 3. So let's continue. If player.lower not in moves, we'll just do print and then F for format, and then we'll do the game, and then invalid option, and then you have, and then we'll just do curly braces, attempts, and that'll be either 3, 2, 1, etc. You have whatever number, and then attempts left, basically. And then next we'll do attempts minus equals 1. What that is saying is basically attempts equals attempts -1, something like that or whatever. So we just basically attempts minus equal 1, attempts equals attempts minus 1. So it's 3, then it's 2, then it's 1, etc. Then it's 0. You're out. So let's continue. Then we do else, and then computer equals random dot choice, and then we'll do moves. So choose a random, one of these from the list, random choice, and then we'll do print, and then F for format, and then we'll do computer, and then we'll do curly braces computer. So we've got the choice, just like we have done for our player. We've got player and the choice, we've got the computer and the choice. So now it's time to actually do the game. So let's do if player is equal to computer. Instead of writing print, it's draw all the way for all these things. We can just do draw, nice and easy, and then if player is equal to rock and computer is equal to scissors, then we're going to win. There's always two options basically that can happen. So for the rock, there's going to be two sides that can happen. You can either win or you can lose. So we're going to do rock, and then we're going to do paper, because there's going to be 2 for the paper. And then we're going to do scissors, and then that's the game done. We've got the draw, we've got the rocks, we've got the scissors, paper, etc. So we've done the win for the rock. Now we've got to do the lose. So if player equals rock and computer equals paper, then we lost. If player equals rock, paper, we'll do paper next, and computer equals rock, then we win. If player equals paper and computer equals scissors, then obviously we've lost. So now we've done our rocks, rock, we've done our paper, paper. Now it's time to do our scissors. So player equals to scissors and computer is equal to paper, and we win again. Now we've got to do our lose. So if player is equal to scissors and computer is equal to rock, then we've lost, and then we just do else pass. So that's the game done, nice and easy. Now we've got to do is, so now we've done all that, we've pretty much all the code. We just need to write a little bit more, and that's just basically a try again. So once the game is finished and it's been played, you either won, you've lost, you've drawn. You can be asked if you want to play again or if you want to quit or whatever. So just do try underscore again, and that's going to equal a string, and then input, and then we'll just do the game, and then we'll just do retry question mark, and then just either a yes or a no. So that's that done. So now we need to do if, oh, not try again, play again. We'll do play again, yeah. If play underscore again dot lower is equal to y, yes. Then we'll just simply do the game. So we'll just do the underscore game, and we'll just run the game again basically if they want to play, and yeah, simple as that. Next we'll do if play underscore again dot lower is equal to n, so they don't want to play again. We'll then just do print, and then the game, and then game, over, and then goodbye. And we'll just do time.sleep, give it 2 seconds, 2.5 seconds should we say, and then we'll just do sys.exit and then 0 again, and then we can just do else print the game, invalid options, goodbye. And we'll just do the same again, time.sleep 2.5 and then sys.exit. So there we have it, that's the whole game. In the game function we've got the win, loss, draw, got our imports. Now we'll just do if underscore underscore name underscore 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 name underscore underscore is equal to comma underscore main, and then we'll just run the game, we'll save it, and then we'll run it, have a little test. I'll just run it in my Sublime Text console. Got to restart. So run the game in my Sublime Text console. As you can see, we've got the game, and then we've got rock, paper, scissors, player. I'm just going to choose rock. Computer chose rock, game, it's a draw, retry, yes, choose rock again, computer choose paper, the game, you lost, retry, yeah, let's type some gibberish, invalid option, gibberish, 2, 1, you failed to provide correct option to play the game, goodbye, and then it's closed, and that's the game basically. You can run that in your console, whatever. I got Sublime Text, so I can just use that. That's the end of the video. So if you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, give it a comment, give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell and subscribe. Goodbye.